Hey gang, thanks for taking the off-ramp to adventure. We're going to be little kids today.
We are. We are at Kings Island in Cincinnati, Ohio.
For Winterfest.
And I'm really excited to see this. When it gets dark, it is going to be so lit up. I don't even know how many lights they have here.
It's going to be simply marvelous. Stick around.
We're Jim and Vanessa. We spent years driving the interstate, taking the off-ramp toward towns we'd never heard of just to see what was there. And then we realized how much fun it would be if we put it on video. Thanks for taking the off-ramp to adventure. We specialize in showing you fun, inexpensive roadside attractions, great events and historic sites, with relevant information on some really cool places you might not have heard about. If you see behind us,
There's ice skating. Oh man! See the Eiffel Tower? It will be a treat.
Winterfest opened at Kings Island in 1982, running until the park was turned over to a new owner who wanted to keep the park open longer, through October, which meant they no longer had time to decorate the park in time for Winterfest, which led to its end in 1992.
Fast forward to 2005 and Winterfest was back. Not sure about the details, just know that it's back. You notice they've got ice skating.
Yes.
Want to ice skate?
Well, I'd love to, but you know, we got a long ride home from here. I don't want to go home with a sprained ankle.
See, here's the thing is we have never ice skated in our life, okay? Now, it would probably be really hilarious for the video. Not so much for our insurance, but it'd be hilarious. Look at Aunt Annie. She's got a stein up top. What a giant. Thing's massive. I like that. There was snow coming out of here a minute ago. The little characters, the snow's gone. There's the snow. It's not real, but it gives a December feel to a December day. Today's temperature was like 70 something.
Kings Island is known for all of the roller coasters that they have. This is just one of them, but it's a huge, pretty scary roller coaster.
Of course, the whole idea behind Winterfest is when the sun goes down and the lights come on. We got here a little early just to get a sneak preview of what's going on. Hang on, guys, it's going to get really good, real quick. I don't fit. I think you need to be a kid to do this.
No.
Seriously, I think I'm stuck. So you're not going to embarrass yourself by getting into the snowman?
No.
Just me, is that it?
We just needed somebody to do it, and you were willing to do that.
I thought you were going to do it too. No.
I'll do the next one.
I see how this works.
I'll do the next one.
Okay, yeah, well, whatever. These guys can't help but make you happy, can they? So he's not just fiddling around either. It's okay to toot your own horn. So is this for adults or kids too? Liquid libations. Huh. Guess we dilly-dallied long enough. It's time to see Santa. Can't wait. And there he is, and he's got a Coke. It's the Coca-Cola Santa. What is this, the 60th anniversary of the Coca-Cola Santa? I get it. It doesn't matter. It's nice to see Santa anytime. You're a snow globe. You're my favorite Christmas ornament. Uh-oh, with a selfie stick. Look, another roller coaster we won't ride. Yeah, we're big chickens.
They're not running tonight anyway.
Yeah, they're not running. So, there. We found a ride we can ride. We both agree on the Scrambler. We can do the Scrambler. You up for the Scrambler?
We always do the Scrambler when we go anywhere.
Yeah. That's the one ride we can ride.
I think this one's for little kids though.
That's why we ride it. Oh wow, guys, look at this. What a beautiful tree. Wow. Look, the Ice Princess. Ice Prince.
Such a pleasure.
We've met royalty. Royalty. Wow.
You and the who are you question. Could you see the ice on her head?
Well, I had to ask who she
She
was.
had
but-
ice on her head.
Well, I was impressed once I found out. I'll be, it's a 12 days of Christmas. Of course, we've got to go in and check it out. You said the roller coaster wasn't running. I just heard the roller coaster.
No, it just
People
went by.
screaming in terror.
I know, because it's dark.
And you don't want to ride it, okay. Well, I was really wanting to.
Sure you were.
I was. There's the first day of Christmas and a train. Hey, maybe we can ride the train to see the 12 days of Christmas, right? Oh, I loved it. I loved it. Don't look now, but I think we're going to ride the train. I think. Okay, 25 years we've been together. We have never ridden a train until this summer. Now we're going to do it again.
What's the outdoor train?
An outdoor train.
Yeah, it's gonna get cold.
The train's moving. Whoa,
That would have been good.
that was scary. That noise was the roller coaster. Wow, man. Heart's still palpitating. Now to get rid of the copyrighted music. Sorry about that, guys. Stinging.
Have a good night, everyone.
It's Charlie Brown's tree lot. I don't expect to find too much here. I mean, they're Charlie Brown trees, so I don't
Just
know.
wait.
Oh, I get it. There's a bunch of really cool trees here, and you get to take a picture with the Charlie Brown tree.
Yes.
So I'm going to take a picture with the Charlie Brown tree. That's the Charlie Brown tree right there. It looks pretty much like a Charlie Brown tree, so I imagine the camera's going to work hard to grab the light. But there are some beautiful lights out today. The Linus launcher. That looks fun. We can do that. You kind of like fly a little bit, maybe. Not sure. It's the kite-eating tree, and he's smiling so big. Oh, he's proud of himself. Look at all the poor kites that have fallen victim to the kite-eating tree. Meanie. And of course, with the Winterfest, you've got to have a reason for the season, right? That's right. The real reason for the season. Of course, along with the reason for the season, you've got to have the, guys who are involved. And in this case, it's live camels. Shows on stage, all about the first Christmas.
Must I walk this path?
Wow, look at these look at these lights, guys. Man. And the tree, that is the Eiffel Tower. I had no idea there was so much devoted to Snoopy and Peanuts here.
I know they have one whole section for just the kids.
Like that. I like Peanuts.
You would like that.
I would. I do. Very Christmassy.
Boys!
And right in the middle of Christmas theming, they've got Boo Blasters. Creepy, but fun looking too. I'd like to check that out. Just the lines are so long.
It's a roller coaster ride.
Okay, can't do the boom blasters because it's a roller coaster. You know us, roller coasters. Yeah, sorry. We're chickens. This is what Main Street looks like at night. Remember when we walked in, I told you it looked so much better in the dark? There you go. Wow, that tree is huge.
It is beginning to get probably in the 30s right now.
And of course, Kings Island has all kinds of places you can buy stuff, especially for the Christmas season.
I think I needed this tonight, to just really get in the Christmas spirit.
Say, Mrs. Claus, what do you think we'll do after closing time today? I don't know, maybe have a hot cocoa? Oh, cocoa. Well, I was thinking of yoo-hoo, but okay. And in case you didn't get enough Snoopy, you can come get a sweatshirt. So, I like that. So what happened was, Pa humbug. Okay, this has got to come home with me. Everybody wants a piece of peanuts. Wow, this place is jamming. Seriously, I had no idea there was so much peanut stuff. Look at this. All these adventure lands and Snoopy's playing. Wow. If you needed a reason to get into the holiday spirit, you need to check out Kings Island Winterfest. Oh man, I'm ready for Christmas now. Hypnotic Season Pass. And that's where we're going to wrap it up for tonight, guys. Thanks for joining us at Winterfest at Kings Island.
I've been to Kings Island a lot over the years, but not for this.
I went to Kings Island one time. What was that? 25 years ago when we first met. That's it.
And we went up in the Eiffel Tower.
Yeah, the Eiffel Tower. We didn't get up to the Eiffel Tower tonight, but
I don't think it was open, actually.
I don't think it's open.
I don't think it was.
Hey, if you like this episode, give us a big thumbs up, all right? Consider subscribing to Off-Ramp Adventures. We'd really appreciate it. And don't forget, adventure is as close as the next off-ramp.
That's right.
Oh, please, let it go.
That's the back of it, just in case you need.
That's the back, the tailgate. Yeah.
Oh, no, maybe it's the front.
No, that's the back because it's the tailgate. It's like Long John, so you open them, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, can we go now?
What about this one?
No. What does she want?
I want you to win me this. I want a Santa Claus.
Santa Claus.
Oh
No
God.
romance, she just straight to Santa, right? So, okay.
Well, he's the one that brings all the gifts.
Yeah, Santa's the guy.
He is.
Yeah.
That's what my mom and dad always told me.
Uh-huh. This guy over here will guess our weight. We could win something.
Well, no thanks.
No? Why?
I don't want anybody guessing my weight.
You're like a model. I mean, he's not going to guess your weight. It's just fool an elf. How hard can it be to fool an elf?
Because I'm afraid he's going to guess way more than what I weigh, and that would be insulting to me.
Did you see the movie? Come on.
Yes, I did.
Well, there you go.
I'm not.
We could have won a ducky, but no.